Welcome back, friends! In today's video, we're going to crochet this adorable earbud pouch. It's small, practical, and perfect for keeping your earphones neat and protected. This project is beginner-friendly, quick to make, and also makes a lovely handmade gift. We'll walk through each round step by step, so grab your 3mm yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and let's get started. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cute and useful crochet projects. For round 1, make a magic ring, then chain 1 and crochet 16 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to close the round. Great job getting started. Tip: adjust the ring tightly to avoid a hole in the center. Next, for round 2, chain 1, then do single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, repeat that 8 times around, slip stitch to join. You're creating cute little loops. Keep going, you're doing great. Moving on to round 3. Into each of the 4 chain spaces, work 1 single crochet followed by 7 double crochets. Repeat this for all 4 spaces, then slip stitch. This forms the lovely petal shapes. Look at your pouch blooming already. For round 4, chain 2. Then, in each stitch, single crochet and chain 4. Repeat this pattern 8 times and slip stitch at the end. These loops will give volume and structure. Keep up the nice work. Now for round 5, slip stitch to the next space. In each chain space, work 1 single crochet followed by 8 double crochets. Repeat for 4 spaces, then slip stitch. For round 6, chain 2. Then repeat single crochet and chain 4 8 times. Slip stitch to close the round. We're almost done with the main piece. Round 7 is decorative. Chain 1, then in each space, single crochet, chain 1, 6 double crochets, chain 1, and another single crochet. Repeat 8 times and slip stitch to finish. So elegant. Keep those stitches neat and even. For round 8, chain 3. then repeat. Single crochet, chain 5, 8 times around, slip stitch to close. You're building such a beautiful layered look. In round 9, chain 2, then in each loop do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Repeat 8 times and finish with a slip stitch. Great structure forming now. Finally, for round 10, repeat the pattern. Single crochet, skip 3 stitches, 7 extended stitches, double crochet, skip 3, repeat 8 times, slip stitch, and then chain 6. You're done with the outer piece. Awesome progress. For the base of the white petal, make a magic ring, chain 1, and crochet 14 double crochets into it. Slip stitch to close, keep it even and round. Now chain 2 and make 14 double crochet increases. That means 2 double crochets in each stitch. Slip stitch to finish. Great shaping. Chain 2, then repeat. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase. Do this 14 times around, slip stitch to join. Your base is growing beautifully. For this round, chain 2, then repeat. DC, DC ink, DC 14 times. Slip stitch to finish. It's looking nice and full. Keep it up. In the final petal round, chain 1 and repeat. SC, skip 2, 7 extended stitches, skip 2, 8 times. Slip stitch to join, then chain 45 for the strap and slip stitch back to the base. Yay! Now simply sew the petal piece to the main round piece, lining them up carefully. Your earbud pouch is done. Beautiful job. And there you have it, your very own crocheted earbud pouch. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I hope you had fun and feel proud of what you've made. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your work in the comments or tag me online. I'd love to see it. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!